Okay. So, if it ends in Z, it is stored compressed. I'm going to copy my home directory to my RAM drive. I'm gonna so if you say dir star true, that's a full directory. Now let's dump the blocks. So test is main. Let's dump the cluster. It's a Red C. On the Red C file system, the clusters are the same as blocks. So we can say dump block. So it doesn't clear the garbage. Now it looks like it's actually stored compressed. The compression is an LZW compression, and what it does is it uses a table, and it stores a letter, and it tells what chain plus a letter, and at the beginning there are no chains, and therefore it's just it looks uncompressed. But let's look at this. I should have chosen this file. Dump block. Okay, so this, somebody thought this was object code. No, it's actually file compression. So if we do anyway, if you really want to, you can move it to a name without a Z, and then if it notice up here, it was 6BC. Down here it's A66. So it has been stored uncompressed. And now we're going to dump the uncompressed shit. There's the uncompressed file. So I'm going to go ahead and move it. Okay, so it is not. Now if you want to, if you're in Linux, on the distribution, okay, I got nothing better to do. So if you go to my website, download operating system. Oh, okay, let's do that first. Okay, so we're going to download. Let's download both of these just while we're here. So one of them is 2 meg and one of them is 17 meg. What the fuck? think I tried to open it. Okay. So 2 meg and 17 meg. Okay, let's go ahead and we can mount this, can't we? I think we can extract here. I don't know what this will do. Okay. I have a what just happened? I don't think it mounted. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Okay, let's go ahead and whatever. What are you telling me? I did something on my. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Oh, okay. That's kind of cool. Okay, so on the ISO in the Linux directory, you will find tosc.cpp. We're going to copy this, and we're going to get rid of that. Uh-oh, I wonder if it lost it. Okay. Didn't like that. That was kind of rude. That was kind of rude. Copy. Paste. Okay, now we unmount. Okay, so now we go to the command line. Go to. Now we have tosc.cpp. So this is a C program. Okay. So we have a.out. Okay, so now you have the uncompress. So now we mount this puppy, and we go here. And what are you interested in? Let's go to the kernel, into compress.cpp. We're going to copy this to downloads. Now we're going to unmount. Okay, so now we have compress.cpp.z. Now let's, if you cat okay, so it's compressed. We knew that. So now we say TOSC TOSC /TOSC. Okay. Minus ASCII in name out name. Okay, so TOSC dot /TOSC minus ASCII compress dot cpp.z. Okay, ls. And so now we can say cat compress dot cpp.z. Now it has been uncompressed. Okay. And let's go ahead and we want to prove that it's 100% open source. So the ultra small distribution is 2.1 meg. Okay, so we are going to go to here, new virtual machine, typical. We're going to set the ISO file to ultra small. Oh, I did the wrong place. We want to go to TAD downloads. Doesn't matter. Okay, and now other 64-bit, 8 gig is enough. Customize hardware. We're going to crank this up to 43 gigabytes. We're going to crank this up to 16 cores. We're going to get rid of the network. We're going to get rid of the sound card. So no network, no sound card. It's 2.1 meg. We're booting the 2.1 meg file. We are going to install onto the hard disk. It's creating a C and a D drive that are identical. Reboot, yes. So now this is my bootloader. So it has an installer and a bootloader. We're going to hit Control M and we're going to play. It has a flight simulator. So this is all in a 2.1 meg file. So if you hit Control D, what is on this distribution? There's the kernel, there's the compiler, and then there's the rest of the operating system in the Atom directory. So let's do a find file /bin. We're going to find all the binary files. In TempleOS, you do everything as much as possible. You do just in time. That means you don't have object files or executables, you just have source. So we can't do everything just in time. We have to do the compiler ahead of time and the kernel ahead of time. So we're going to delete the kernel bin. We're going to delete the compiler bin. We're going to delete the bootloader stuff. It's a stage 2 bootloader. Okay, so now there are no binary files. Now, just to make this interesting, let's go to the kernel, end. This is the main of the kernel. Let's put in here woo hoo beep. Okay, so now we are going to So now there is no, we have to prove that it's 100% open source. So there are no binary files at this point. So we, it's 2.1 meg. Now we're going to do boot HDINSC. This does a make all, this makes the kernel and compiler. Boot drive C. We start with C, and you have to mount your drives in the kernel when you compile the kernel. Probe number 1 is the hard disk. Now we hit enter for the rest. Enter, enter, enter. And now we do find file / bin. Okay, so now we have a kernel and a compiler. We have to make the master boot mhdins. We have to add the bootloader. So now we have bootloader stuff. Now we can reboot. Select number drive C. So it compiled. We have a new kernel. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make a distribution. Okay, what this does is it copies into a holding directory called distro, and then it makes an ISO file out of the distro directory, and it has a bootloader that's going to load the kernel. And so here we go. So we are now making our own distribution with 100% of the source, and it's going to have the new kernel. So now, where is it? It's located in the temp directory, and it's called my distro. And what do you know? It's 2 meg. Okay, so we're gonna shut this down. We just proved that it's 100% open source. Now we go into here and we do mount virtual disk. I made a compiler, I made a kernel, I made everything from scratch. It has bootloaders, it has something that will make an ISO file. It has a graphics library that you saw with the flight simulator. I'm the best programmer in the world. That's why God chose me. It's 2 meg, it has a flight simulator, it has a kernel, it has a compiler. I'm the best programmer, it's divine intellect. Okay, just so we get that clear. I told you it's fucking divine intellect. You don't believe me. Fuck you. Fucking nigger. Okay, so did I just mount it? I guess so. What? Mount disk. We want normal. Okay, we're going to do the C partition. Okay, so now we come over here. Let's go to my computer mount. My mount point is here. And in the temp directory, oh shit. I hate when that happens. I think I mounted the wrong disk. Okay, so we have to unmount. I think I'm on a D and not C. Not C. Must be. Okay. Oh, I did TOSC. I did the wrong. That's what I did. Okay, we want other 64 and VM disk. Okay. And we want C mount. Okay. So now go over here. Mount. VM disk. My distro, copy. Let's go to here, paste. Okay, so we have the My Distro, and what do you know? It's 2.1 meg. Okay, but this has the modified kernel. Okay, so it says woohoo beep. Now we are going to make a new virtual machine. Typical. We're going to go to downloads, My Distro, other 64-bit, number 2, 8 gig. We want 16 processors. We want no sound card, no network. We want 64 gig, 40 gig. Okay, it's the modified kernel. We're going to install it onto our disk. It has an installer. Now, a lot of people think it's text mode, but if you want to see why I'm the best programmer in the world, guess what? I'll show you why I'm the best programmer in the world. GR circle. Default device context, XY radius. I am the best programmer in the world. Now we can, as a compiler, Holy C. Now we're making source code. This is from a 2 meg distribution. We made our own distro. Oh, let's go ahead and DC fill. That's kind of funny. Okay, Control R for the sprite menu. And let's do circle. Let's do width 5 circle. And let's go ahead and copy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go to let's do color red, color blue, color green, color yellow, color black, and we're gonna delete. And then we go edit menu, shift points. Okay. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful. Now we go to and we say hello world. And we say sprite, Control R, pointer to sprite, sprite number 1, and let's do okay, now we do F5. So we're at the command line, and what if we do main? Okay, dir. And that's why I'm the best programmer in the world. Okay, are we happy? Are we happy? Yes, we're happy. And this also has my flight simulator. Okay, so we can see the symbols in alphabetical order. So these are all the symbols in the kernel and compiler and graphics library and stuff. You can put them in numeric order. It's not stack. It's mem BIOS rep. So physical memory is virtual memory. Let's pay attention here. This is A with A times 4. That's 40 gig. Okay. As a matter of fact, VMware takes a long time to allocate if I did a big allocation. Let's try it. What the hell? It's not gonna work. Mem set. This will work. It'll be slow. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to make this interesting, B sub I equals I. Obviously, it's going to overflow. It's going to take a... VMware goes really slow when it starts. I don't know why it... We'll be here a long time. It will be here forever. Fuck that. Okay. So don't. Okay, we got 4. Okay, whatever. I think I'm done here.